Alright, so number 5, I'm just going to solve by hand, and then once I find the two examples that have no solution or infinite many solutions, I'll do those also with the calculator so you can see what the output looks like there, because it will be a little bit different. Okay, so I'm looking at these. We got negative 8x plus 4y equals 12, and then we have negative 10x plus 5y equals 15. Okay, so again, y has smaller numbers. I want to multiply these and eliminate y. The least common multiple between 4 and 5 is 20, so that means I need to multiply this equation by 5, and I'll go ahead and make this one negative this time, and we're going to multiply this one by 4 to make this equal 20. Alright, and so again, you got to look at least common multiple. What do you need to multiply to get that, and what do you need to multiply this one to get that? 5 times 8 is 40. Negative times a negative is a positive, so we get a positive 40x. Negative 5 times positive 4 gives us a negative 20y. Negative 5 times a positive 12 gives us a negative 60. Okay, so sometimes people forget to multiply this last number, but remember, you're multiplying that times everything. Alright, and then 4 times each of these numbers will give me a negative 40x. This will give me a positive 20y, and this will give me positive 60. Alright, so when I add up the x's, notice they're opposite and same sign. They go to 0. These are opposite, they also go to 0. And then these are opposite, so they also go to 0. So we end up with 0 equals 0. This is a true statement. So this is the one where we have infinite solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let's also do this with the calculator so you can see what it looks like in case you were trying that method as well. So I'm going to turn this on, hit clear. We're going to go second matrix. We're going to go over to edit. We're going to go to all three of these every time we do that. So you start here, go here, and then go here. So enter on edit. We still have two equations with 3 terms. So my coefficients will be negative 8, and then positive 4, and then positive 12. Alright, and then negative 10, and then positive 5, and positive 15. Okay. Once you get that all entered, second mode. And then second matrix, arrow over to math, arrow up to RREF, hit enter, and then you're going to do second matrix, and then just hit enter twice. Okay, so notice what we are seeing. One row completely zeros, and the other row not really sure how they're getting that. They're just saying one is 1 and negative 0.5, you'll get that solution. Okay, but anyway, what you're going to notice is one row completely zeros. That's the big standout. Just like we got here, everything zeroed out. So if you see one row of all zeros, that's going to be infinitely many solutions. Okay, so that's how it looks in the calculator. So we're going to say infinite number of solutions.